Do I need special flour or can I use all-purpose? Well, you got to remember, all-purpose flour started out back in the day as kind of like the go-to flour by most people across the country. You got to think of maybe your grandmother or people doing pizzas at home or even professionally. In Chicago, all-purpose flour was really the go-to. I know that back when I started, I can remember bags and bags and bags of Sarasota flour being used. We didn't know why we liked Sarasota so much. We just knew that it was readily available and it was pretty cheap. But the reason why over the years that I've discovered that Sarasota was so popular is because that flour has the highest level of protein of all the all-purpose flours. So when we talk about the versatility of one type of flour to make multiple styles of dough, we really liked that because we were making a dough in the morning that was ultimately utilized over the day or was refrigerated right away and used the next day. The special flours that we see today, there's all types of blends of flour. There's different mixes where they've done things to the flour to make them perform a certain way so that you don't have to do all of these explorations on your own. In my opinion, if you're going to be a good baker, no matter if you're a home baker or if you're a professional, I encourage you to go out and start to discover what different types of flour do, the effects of different styles of flour on your pizzas or your breads, whatever you're making. I hope that answers your question.